Yachting is a term that encompasses various forms of recreational boating activities using boats or ships called yachts. Yachts are typically larger, more luxurious, and more expensive than ordinary boats, and they can range from sailboats to motorboats to catamarans to super yachts. Yachting is a popular hobby and lifestyle for many people around the world, as it offers a unique way to explore new destinations, enjoy nature, relax, socialize, and have fun. However, yachting is not just about owning or sailing a yacht. It is also about the people who make yachting possible, the people who design, build, sell, buy, charter, manage, crew, service, and maintain yachts. These people are essential for the smooth operation and development of the yachting industry and community, and they deserve recognition and appreciation for their work and passion. In this video, we will take a closer look at some of the roles and responsibilities involved in yachting, and learn more about the people who make yachting possible. Yacht builders are the people who design and construct yachts, either from scratch or from existing models. Yacht builders use various processes and techniques to create custom-designed and innovative yachts that meet the needs and preferences of their clients. Yacht owners are the people who own one or more yachts, either for personal use or for business purposes. Yacht owners are typically wealthy individuals or corporations who can afford to purchase and maintain a yacht, which can cost millions or even billions of dollars depending on the size, quality, and features of the vessel. Yacht owners have different motivations for owning a yacht. Some may want to use it as a vacation home or a means of transportation. Some may want to use it as a status symbol or a way to impress others. Some may want to use it as an investment or a source of income. Some may want to use it as a hobby or a passion. Whatever their reasons are, yacht owners contribute to the yachting industry and community in various ways. They create demand for new and used yachts, which stimulates the market and encourages innovation. They generate revenue for yacht brokers, charter companies, managers, crews, service providers, marinas, ports, destinations, and other stakeholders involved in yachting. They also support various causes and initiatives related to yachting, such as environmental protection, safety standards, education programs, events, competitions, associations, clubs, magazines, blogs, podcasts, etc. Yacht service providers are the people who offer maintenance, repair, cleaning, provisioning, and other support services for yachts. Yacht service providers can be divided into two main categories. Onshore, yacht service providers who operate from land-based facilities, such as shipyards, marinas, docks, workshops, warehouses, etc. They provide services such as hauling, painting, refitting, winterizing, storing, supplying, etc. for yachts. On board, yacht service providers who operate from water-based facilities, such as boats, barges, helicopters, etc. They provide services such as fueling, pumping, diving, towing, delivering, etc. for yachts. Yacht service providers are vital for the upkeep and improvement of yachts. They ensure that the yachts are in good condition and performance at all times. They also ensure that the yachts are well equipped and well stocked with everything they need for their operation and enjoyment. Yacht crews are the people who work on board yachts, either full-time or part-time, to ensure the safety, comfort, and enjoyment of the yacht owners and guests. Yacht crews can vary in size and composition depending on the type, size, and purpose of the yacht, but they usually include some or all of the following positions. Captain, the person in charge of the yacht, responsible for navigation, operations, management, communication, and compliance with laws and regulations. Engineer, the person responsible for the maintenance and repair of the yacht's mechanical, electrical, hydraulic, and electronic systems. Chef, the person responsible for the preparation and presentation of food and beverages for the yacht owners and guests. Stewardess, the person responsible for the housekeeping, laundry, service, hospitality, and entertainment of the yacht owners and guests. Deckhand, the person responsible for the cleaning, maintenance, and operation of the yacht's exterior, including the deck, hull, rigging, sails, tenders, toys, etc. Yacht crews are essential for the smooth and enjoyable operation of yachts. They ensure that the yacht is safe, clean, functional, and ready for use at all times. They also ensure that the yacht owners and guests are well taken care of and satisfied with their yachting experience. They provide professional and personalized service, catering to the needs and preferences of each individual. They also provide knowledge and guidance on various aspects of yachting, such as destinations, activities, weather, culture, etc. Yacht brokers are the people who act as intermediaries between buyers and sellers of yachts. Yacht brokers offer various services to facilitate the buying, selling, chartering, and management of yachts. Some of these services are: marketing. Yacht brokers use various channels and strategies to promote yachts to potential buyers or charterers. They create listings with photos, videos, descriptions, specifications, features, etc. They also use websites, social media platforms, magazines, events, networks, referrals, etc. to reach a wider audience. Negotiation. Yacht brokers negotiate on behalf of their clients to achieve the best possible price and terms for a yacht transaction. They handle offers, counteroffers, contracts, deposits, escrow accounts, etc. They also advise their clients on various aspects of the deal, such as financing, insurance, taxation, registration, etc. Survey. Yacht brokers arrange for surveys and inspections of yachts to verify their condition and value. They hire qualified surveyors and inspectors to examine the yacht's structure, systems, equipment, documents, etc. They also review the survey and inspection reports and recommend any necessary repairs or improvements. Delivery. Yacht brokers coordinate the delivery of yachts to their new owners or charterers. They arrange for transportation, logistics, customs clearance, documentation, etc. They also oversee the handover of yachts to ensure that everything is in order and satisfactory. Yacht brokers play an important role in the yachting industry and community. They help buyers and sellers of yachts to find each other and complete transactions smoothly and successfully. They also help charterers and managers of yachts to find suitable yachts and operate them efficiently and effectively. They provide expertise and guidance on various aspects of yachting, such as market trends, legal issues, technical aspects, etc. Yachting is a fascinating and diverse activity that involves many different aspects and dimensions. However, behind every yacht and every yachting experience, there are people who make it possible, the people who design, build, sell, buy, charter, manage, crew, service, and maintain yachts. These people are the backbone and the driving force of the yachting industry and community. They deserve our respect and gratitude for their work and passion. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the world of luxury. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We would love to hear your feedback and suggestions for future videos. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. We have more exciting and fascinating videos coming your way soon. Until then, stay tuned and stay luxurious.